Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We're from Group 6, was member Arleoni, Amber, Alting, and Rizal. Here we will presentation we discuss material about green tea extract inhibit biofilm, information in antibiotic resistant, Morganella morgani from Pasig River. Next. First of all, we have introduction. The continued economic and infrastructural development in Metro Manila poses threat to the ecological system in the area, including rivers. The Pasig River, one of the capital's major waterways, continues to deteriorate as a result of increasing industrial and human activities. In turn, change in water quality in urban waterways have resulted in change in the microbial diversity and resistance profile of the microorganism. One significant problem with water quality is contamination with various pathogens that cause waterborne diseases such as diarrhea and gastrointestinal disease. The pathogens include bacteria, virus, and protozoa, have caused several outbreaks that have infected millions of people worldwide. Next. One of the new strategies in combating bacterial infection is through inhibition of quorum sensing. Quorum sensing is an intracellular communication system mediated by signaling molecules and receptors to trigger the expression of several bacterial mechanisms such as biofilm formation, pigmentation, and virulence factor production. The use of natural produce such as toast drift from plant extracts such as green tea. Green tea, a popular beverage and dietary supplement based on camellia synthesis of leaf extract, has a variety of phytochemicals that are responsible for its wide application. Therefore, its disadvantage short-chain acyl homoserine lactone producing isolate from the Pasig River, Philippines, where colic and their antibiotic susceptibility profile were recorded. Isolate that were observed to be resistant and to antibiotics were then used in the investigation of the biofilm potential and inhibitory activities of green tea extracts. Next, will presentation with Amber.
Material and method. Number 1, sample collection. Approximately 1 liter of water sample from the Pasig River was collected using sterile glass bottle. The sample were kept in an ice set during transport to the laboratory and passed immediately for isolation. Number 2, isolation and purification of gram-negative bacteria. 10 milliliter of water sample was first diluted with 90 ml of sterile alkaline peptone water, or after that the full serial dilution were made up to 10 dilution power. Number 3, detection of short-chain AHL production. A 24-hour-old culture of the isolate was screened for short-chain AHL production by crossing it on a plate with Chrombacterium violaceum CV 026, a mini TN5 mutant that is unable to produce its own autoinduced, but it able to produce pigment when supplemented with external AHL. Next. Identification of source sign AHL producing isolate, colony and cellular morphology as well as biotechnical profile or API-20A catalase oxide of the isolate were recorded and compared with the literature for molecular identification. Genomic DNA of the isolate was extracted using the Vivatin GIF1 bacterial DNA extraction kit. Antibiotic susceptibility profile. A 24-hour-old isolate culture was prepared in tripod soya broth and standardized using MC4 standard. Preparation of green tea leaf extract. Green tea extract from Healthy Option Philippines was asked. According to the manufacturer, this product contains 90% total polyphenol, of which 70% are total catechsin with 50% Epigallobacter. Next. Antibacterial activity. There are several steps in conduction antibacterial activity tests, namely number 1, diffusion test, number 2, determination of minimum inhibitory concentration and bactericidal concentration, number 3, biofilm inhibition test, number 4, quorum sensing inhibition test, number 5, statistical analysis. Next with Mbak Rara.
Next, the result and discussion. Since he has influenced in their information as well as virus factor production, it is important to understand this bacterial communication system, especially the signal used as this will with the design of drug to control bacterial pathogens of inhibition of their communication system and the mechanism that depend on them. One, isolation of salt can lactose production gram-negative bacteria from the Pasig River, Philippines. A total of 15 rhamnophilus colonies from a gram-negative selective MCA plate were transferred to a TCA plate for purification. The isolate were the cross with the HS biosensor chain C Phyoselium for isolate T1, T2, T3, and T4 were shown to produce AHS due pigmentation of cells in the biosensor strain. Next, as shown above, screening for short can homoserine acyl lactone production by cross-linking with the Horum sensing biosensor strain Chromobacterium fioseum. For isolate, T1, T2, T3, and T4 were able to induce pigmentation in the biosensor strain C. Fioseum CV indication their ability to produce short chain AHLS. The negative control Bacillus cereus CRK1 until 1 did not produce pigmentation will see. Violaceum, which served a positive control, was able to induce
pigmentation. This indicates that these isolates are able to produce significant amount of AHLS, resulting in the indication of violaceium production in C. violaceum. And next, result and discussion. Phenotypic characterization of South Can AHL production isolate shown that they were indeed gram-negative and shown above and potentially enteric bacteria due to their ability to grow on mechanical agar. Previous studies have shown that aquatic enteric pathogens such as Aeromorph spp, Acinetobacter baumannii, and Citrobacter frauendii commonly use AHL-mediated quorum sensing system. Cellular morphology of short can homoserine hasil lactone production isolate from passing river Philippines 10,000 eggs. All four AHL production isolate were observed to be gram-negative. Therefore, this suggests that AHL sequencing can be an effective tool in combating HS even under harrowing environmental conditions. Next, the figure shows that KTA did not show antimicrobial activity again and Morgani et al. Concentration used. Furthermore, the result obtained through the determinant of the minimum inhibitory concentration and minimum bacterial concentration that that the concentration test did not inhibit the growth of M. Morgani all concentration of green tea extract. Uh, 250 milli, 120 milli until 62.5 milli did not inhibit the growth of Morganella morgani based on the diffusion test. Next, point to antibiotic susceptibility profile relevant resistance of Morganella morgani to chloramapenicol. M. morgani was the only isolate resistant to antibiotic or amoxicillin, clavulanate, and chloramphenicol. The development of resistance may be due to the extensive use of antibiotics such as chloramphenicol, as seen in the detection of residue in surface water. Relative biofilm inhibition of different concentrations in green tea extract was compared with the negative control. Green tea extract significantly inhibited biofilm formation of Morganella morgani at concentrations allow us. However, increasing the concentration did not result in increased activity, so a significant difference with the negative control. Next, this diffusion assay with various concentrations of green tea extract. Again, short can acyl homoferring lactone production biosensor strain Chromobacterium violaceum ATC. Green tea extract inhibit pigmentation in the biosensor strain. Indication its inhibitory activity against short can AHL mediated quorum sensing in C. violaceum ATCC in has been observed that the polyphenol such as AGCG and modulate pigmentation and biofilm formation through QS description. Understanding the mechanism of action of green tea extract in modulating His dependent biofilm formation of N. Morgani can be done through analysis of His signaling molecules. Green tea extract likely inhibits biofilm by disrupting the AHL mediated His system. These results indicate the potential of green tea extract in controlling bacterial pathogen through the His.
Conclusion: this study identified 4 isolates that use short-chain asli homoserine lactones in their quorum sensing system. One isolate, Morganella morgani, showed antibiotic resistance, requiring alternative strategies. Green tea Camellia sinensis extract was tested and shown to inhibit biofilm formation and short-chain AHL system in antibiotic resistant Morgane. In addition, Aromonas salmonicida and Acinetobacter morgani and Citrobacter frundi also use short-chain AHLs in their system. The results showed the potential of green tea extract in inhibiting biofilm and in antibiotic resistant M. morgani. Thank you. That's all the presentation from our group. In there are any mistakes, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.